Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we're going to do simple, easy, healthy and filling Sehri recipes. So let's begin with our 4 recipes that we have today. So for our first Sehri recipe, we are making a savoury recipe. It's very filling, so we're using some bottle gourd and we chop that up into chunks. We also have salmon. If you don't have salmon available, you can use sardines, it works just as well. We chop that up as well. And we're also using butternut squash. It's a very nice vegetable that adds nice flavour to it. We're adding moong dal, has protein in, and it's very healthy, keeps you full for longer. Chopped onions. It's a nice vegetable which has a lot of flavour. And ginger and garlic paste. And for our spices, we're just using curry powder, turmeric, and red chilli powder, homemade masala, and salt to taste. All these spices may vary depending on what you like. And coriander leaves for a little bit of greenery at the top. In a dry pan, you're going to roast your moong dal for a few minutes. Then you're going to leave it aside for later. Then heat any oil of your choice and add ginger and garlic paste. And let that cook for a while, and then add in your onions and salt. Once the onions changed a little in colour, add in water. We added in a quarter cup of water at this point. And then you're going to add in your moong dal. After that, add in your spices. Then add half a cup of water. And then you're going to add in your bottle gourd and leave it to cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Next, we're adding our butternut squash and salmon, and then we're going to add in water and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. Then to top it up, you're going to add in your coriander leaves. So this recipe could be stored in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and is more than one serving, and you can make it beforehand so it's prepared. It's super filling, super healthy, and it's actually really tasty. So it could be eaten with rice or on its own or with toasted bread or with the crepes. If you are eating it with bread or rice, it's best to use whole wheat bread as it keeps you fuller for longer and they release energy slower compared to white bread. So that's one recipe done and it's that simple. Now we're going to move on to our strawberry and banana smoothie. So firstly, for this recipe, we're washing our strawberries. These are frozen strawberries that we have from last summer from our garden. So they're nice and organic and we use them whenever we need. So we have frozen strawberries and we're just basically putting them in a blender. It's that easy. And then we're just going to put banana with it. And then we're just going to add any milk of your choice. We're just adding semi-skimmed milk. And we're also going to add organic honey. It's just better as it's like has more vitamins and minerals. Then after that, I'm just going to add chia seeds on top. And then I'm going to mix it in when I drink the smoothie. Chia seeds are very healthy and they expand in your stomach, making you fuller for longer. So that's my super easy, super simple strawberry and banana smoothie recipe. It's very quick and easy to make for your sehri. And now I'm going to move on to the oats recipe. Now the oats is also simple to prepare for your sehri. So I'm just going to heat up my milk and my honey, and then I'm going to let that come to a boil. Then I add in my oats. And I'll leave that in for like 3 to 4 minutes so it like thickens. After that is my favourite part when I put everything in a bowl. So I'm just putting my oats in. Then after that, I'm going to add in chia seeds, which I soaked in water throughout the day. And when I'm preparing my sehri, I take them out and put them in. I just find chia seeds soaked in water better with my oats. Next, I'm also going to top it with some blended flax seeds, as they're healthy and makes it more filling. Then finally, you could add any fruits of your choice. I'm just adding strawberries and bananas. You can also add blueberries and raspberries, or you could even top it with some gronola. It's all up to you, this part. So here we have a filling, delicious, simple and healthy sehri recipe. So we hope you try it. Now we're just going to go on to our last recipe. Now this is the easiest and simplest and healthy sehri recipe that we have today. So you could either have dates and milk separate on its own, simply there's nothing wrong with that, it's very healthy, or you can leave your dates soaking in your milk throughout the entire day, and when it comes to sehri time, you basically blend your milk and dates that are together, and it makes a nice textured drink, perfect if you want something quick and tasty. So before soaking our dates, we're going to take out the seeds and then put them in a blender ready to soak them. Now I'm just going to put in the fridge for the day. Now when it comes time for your sehri, it's just blending it. So those are 4 quick healthy sehri recipes this year. For more videos this Ramadan, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.